Hello, my friend, and welcome to this short silence meditation. This is your time to pause and reconnect with the stillness within. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting with your spine straight, hands resting on your lap, or lying down with your hands at your sides. Do whatever feels right for you in this moment. Now I invite you to close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. And again, a deep breath in and a long breath out. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm and feel your whole body becoming heavier, more grounded, and fully supported by the surface beneath you. Notice all the subtle sensations at the places where your body is pressed up against the surface beneath you. And now, let's enter a space of silence together. For the next 2 minutes, I invite you to be fully present with stillness within you. To calm down the mental chatter, you can try to fully concentrate on the sensations of your breath, cool as you breathe it in, and warm as you breathe it out, or in other physical sensations, for example, in your palms, fingers, or feet, or any other area that you feel drawn to. You can begin now. Slowly begin to bring your attention back to the room. Feel the ground beneath you. Notice the air on your skin. Start gently wiggling your fingers and toes. take one last deep breath in and a long breath out. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Take good care, and until next time,